Hello, so in this video we'll be covering the more advanced features of this course planning software. We'll talk about uploading our transcript, the filters, also how to save and transfer our data manually. We'll start off with uploading our transcript by going to the top right and selecting Options. We'll then select the first option, which is Upload Transcript, and then if we navigate to WebAdvisor and sign in, we get to this page which we can then use to find our unofficial transcript. Here you can just select the default option. Once we get to this page, we have to copy all of its contents by pressing Command or Control A to select all the text, and then pressing Control C or Command C to then copy it. Then we go back to the course planner and paste it in this text box. Then once we upload the text, we are told that the upload is successful, and we're also told of any courses that could not be found. So these could be discontinued courses, for example. And then with that, all of our courses are now in our plan. Now all we have to worry about is planning courses for the future instead of having to manually enter them into the planner. And this is very useful for people who have taken several semesters already. So the next thing that we're going to look at are the filters. In the Subjects and Filters panel, if we click on this orange button at the bottom, which will show us the filters, we get all the available options. If we click on any subject, physics for example, we won't see every course in that subject, and the reason for that is because of this first filter, which reduces the number of courses we're looking at based on what we can determine you can take and what you can't take. So you'll only see courses that are available in your particular semester and that are offered in that semester. However, unfortunately, we can't actually take into account the prerequisites and the restrictions because it's too complicated. If enough people are interested, then maybe we can work on that, but as of right now, it's too difficult. Nonetheless, it is very useful to hide courses that we know can't be taken, reducing unnecessary clutter and making your decisions easier. If we uncheck this filter, then we'll actually see every course in the subject. And you'll notice that courses that we don't think you can take in that semester will have a grayed out add button. However, you can still always override this in case we make a mistake. You get waived into a course, or for example, you're trying to add a course in the past where now some of the criteria for taking the course has changed. There are also filters which allow you to only see courses that are available in a specific semester or the number of credits that a course is worth. So if you're looking for a particular course, perhaps this would be very useful to narrow down those results. So the next filter that we have are the elective filters. These are very useful for being able to pick out science electives or arts electives. And so you don't have to worry about switching back and forth between pages to figure out which courses are electives and which ones aren't. These filters will only show the courses that are electives. So the courses in white are those that don't have electives and all the other ones do. So if we click on psychology, for example, these are all of the science electives for psychology that are available in our current semester. And we could do the same thing with the arts electives as well. So let's say that we've added some courses to our plan and now we want to save it permanently to our machine, or we want to transfer it to a different browser, for example. Well, we can manually save our data by going to Options in the top right corner and then selecting Saving and Transferring. We can click Download. This will then give us our save file, which we can load into a different browser or a different computer. So now I'm using a different browser and you can see me upload the plan to get the exact same courses that I had before. Keep in mind, however, that all of your courses are going to be saved locally in your browser automatically, and that this only needs to be used if you want to transfer or if you want more of a long-term storage, because that automatic storage might get cleared if you clear, for example, your history. So we finished going over the more advanced features of the course planner. There's still some other tips and tricks that we can find by going to help, but I'll leave that for you. And with that, I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, please consider sharing this with your friends, and if you didn't, let me know why. Thanks for watching.